Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. This weekend we're camping at Lost Dutchman State Park in Arizona, and we're about to jump into the camper and try out a new food product. We got these really cool raviolis from Sam's Club and we're very excited to try them.
Now this video is part of a new series. Now later this month on October the 29th and October the 30th, my parents are hosting the Haunted Barn at Fluffy Butt Acres. Now I just want to kind of post a bunch of fun Halloween and fall inspired recipes kind of leading up to that. So we are going to be posting quite a bit more videos. Now, if you're going to be in the Webster City, Iowa area and you'd like to come visit the Haunted Barn, I'll have more information in the description below. Now, to finish off this pasta, I shredded a rotisserie chicken and just heated it up on this skillet with some oat milk and some ricotta cheese.
So these ravioli are really good, but there's just a couple things I'd like to talk about. I think they'd be a lot better as like a side dish than as a main course, because honestly they just kind of taste like pumpkin pie. The chicken with them is really good, but I was definitely expecting more of a cheesy ricotta filling instead of like a pumpkin pie filling. Still really good, definitely worth a try, but yeah. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. These pumpkin spice ravioli are absolutely delicious. Definitely check it out, and definitely come check out the state park. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.